Reset and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do part 2 of tasting OISHI snacks. So let's get started. I don't really have water. I didn't prepare it. Okay. So I'm not going to drink any water. I'm going to start off with the one that I don't really, for me, do not like this. Snacks. OISHI tomato snacks. Yeah, I like tomatoes and biscuits that look like tomatoes and biscuits that look like cheese one. Oh my god, it looks like windows. Look at it. It looks like legit windows. Oh. Not bad. I think I'm gonna rate like 6. The flavor is so not for me, but it's kind of good. Next one, oh, we got chocolates and stuff here. Next one, we got OISHI Zigs. OISHI Zigs. It says chocolate coated granola crystals. I'm 100% this will taste really good because it's chocolate, as you can see. There. Open it up. This is amazing. I really like it. I love granola. Seriously. Ow. Ow. That almost broke my teeth. But it's kind of hard. It's really hard. Kind of a bit hard to chew, but it's like wafery. A bit really hard. But it's really hard to chew. This is so chewy. But I'm gonna rate it at 7. I'm gonna rate it 7 just because it's really hard to chew, but the flavor is amazing. Oh my god, it's actually so good. Next, we got chocolate colored potato chips. What? Oh my god. Wait, what? What? Chocolate coated potato. I love potato chips and I love chocolate. So this is like the best thing ever. Rinby Opala. Yeah. I don't know how to read. Let's take this Opala. Okay. It's potato chips. It just smells like the smell is real chocolate. It's super duper strong chocolate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so good. Oh my I can't. Oh my god. Yeah, it's amazing. So good. Oh my god. 10 over 10. Best one so far. 10 over 10. Oh, Pala, I love you. Next one is Oishi waffle. Rolled wafer with creamy leche flan flavored filling. Leche flan, like pudding. Oh, it's in this tiny container. Kind of cute container. It smells amazing, I swear. Oh, it's a waffle. Oh, awesome. Oh my god. Amazing. Amazing. That's it for now. Put it back in the box. Mm-hmm. 10. Probably the best ones are these two. These two are really good. Try out which one. No, I keep waiting on this wafer thingy because it's so big. That was the video. Make sure you watch the part 1 of this. So I tasted a lot more of OISHI stuff, and make sure you enjoy this video and click the thumbs up with your head.